Hey guys, Henry from Adventure Air here, and we have some exciting news today. Jeremy, come here. You all have been following Jeremy's saga over the last several years now, and he's gone from the lowly beginner to the top of the mountain as a CFI. He's also taking one step further today. I'm officially selling my business to Jeremy. He is going to take over the controls. Jeremy, take the controls of Adventure Air.
My controls.
I'm still going to be involved in the gyro world. I'm still going to be flying here at Adventure Air in Chino. So come out and see us. But Jeremy is going to be the man in charge from now on. So how do you feel about it?
Kind of. I don't know. It's crazy. It's crazy. 3 years ago, I never would have thought when I got involved in this.
Yep.
I feel blessed and I'm honored and I'm appreciative of you and everybody that's supported me, and I'm excited.
Awesome. Well, Jeremy, as you guys know, you've watched him progress. He's done a great job. He's an incredible instructor now, and I'm just proud to work with him.
Thank you.
All right, buddy. Congratulations.
Thank you.
We'll see ya.
See ya.